wonderful day here at Mississippi State as we celebrate yet another milestone here on our campus with this beautiful renovation of Ballew Hall. And I had the opportunity to take animal science right here, and it looks a lot different today than it did 44 years ago. This building opened in 1962, 63 years ago, named after a gentleman by the name of Doris Ballew. And we're glad to have members of the Ballew family here with us today. We're very blessed to have supporters who've helped make this day possible. The Robertson family, who are here to honor the memory of Warren Robertson, the Purvis Boyd family, Southern Ag Credit, Mississippi Farm Bureau Federation. We're very, very thankful for your generosity to help make this facility possible.